The next problem that we're going to do is item 5-5. So here's item 5-5. Kellen was terribly astonished to see a larger-than-life regular polygon that has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records. Every angle in that polygon measures 172 degrees. She wanted to know what type of polygon that is and its perimeter. Ayan. So in this problem, there's a mural of a very large polygon, regular polygon, and it has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records. The clue is that this regular polygon has every angle measuring to 172 degrees. Then she wanted to know what is the polygon and the perimeter. According to the anecdotes that they read, its perimeter is x squared plus 18x feet. What must be the measure of every side? Write down your answer in meters. This is a bit tricky, but good luck. But the first things first, this problem is kinda easy. Because remember, just what I told you, this is perimeter in polygon. Okay? So we have a regular polygon, right? A regular polygon of we do not know what type of polygon is it. But we do know that it is a regular polygon such that every angle measures 172 degrees. And do you still remember the formula that I taught you? Ganito yung formula, di ba? You remember that n minus 2 times 180 divided by n is equivalent to the formula for a regular polygon. Like, di ba remember sa triangle, we have 60 minus, we have n, 3 minus 2, di ba? 3 minus 2 times 180 divided by 3. Tama? 180 and 3 cancel, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 times 60, 60 degrees. But it says that it's 72. So therefore, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n equals 72. 172 pala. Now we apply our ratio and proportion. So therefore, this is going to be n minus 2 times 180 is equivalent to 172n. Tama? Then, we can distribute the 180 times n and the 180 times 2. So, ganito siya. 180 times n is equivalent to 180n. 180 times negative 2 is equivalent to 360. Then, we have its equivalent to 172n. Swapping both sides of the equation to combine like terms, we should get 180n minus 172n is equivalent to positive 360. Combining like terms, you should get 8n is equivalent to 360. Divide both sides by 8, hence leaving n to 45. But 45 what? 45 degrees. So 45 sides. So therefore, this is a 45-sided polygon. Alright? That's a 45-sided polygon. To check with Excel, ganito siya yung nangyari. Diba remember, x minus 2 times 180 divided by x, diba? Then x minus 2 is equivalent to 180 is equivalent to 172x. Moving x to both sides. Then distribute, diba? We distribute that. Then we get this answer, combining like terms. And then, tama. We should get 45. X is 45. Now, to get the perimeter. Diba sabi ko dito, ang perimeter, the perimeter is the perimeter of one side of the polygon. Diba sabi dito, the perimeter is x squared plus 18x feet. So, yan. And therefore, to get the perimeter of any regular polygon, like for example, diba remember what did I tell you? If you have a regular triangle such that its measure is x times x times x, what do you do? 3x, diba? 3 times 3. So, yan. So, therefore, the perimeter of the 45-sided polygon is 45x is equivalent to x squared plus 18 plus 18. Okay? Plus 18x pala, di ba? Plus 18x feet. Okay? Now, we move 45 to the other side of the equation. Leaving it to x squared plus 18x minus 45x equals 0. Then, applying our quadratic equation, combining like terms, we should get negative 27x equals 0. And now, This implies the difference of two squares. So we do this. Remember the quadratic equation? X, then di ba remember 27, di ba? What two numbers that you multiply and that you add together to give you 27? It's 3 and 9. Wait a minute, that's a bit different. Check on yung solution sheet muna. Tama, that's supposed to be x squared and 27. So 27 and 0 pala. Kasi ba those are the two numbers that you multiply. So this is 27, this is 0. And then, remember, we should get negative 27, so this is supposed to be the answer. Negative 27 times x equals negative 27. 0 times x is just 0. Combining like terms, you should get 27x. Then you should get 0, because there's nothing to add here. Yun. So therefore, x is 27. The value of x is 27. But wait, we're still not yet done. Diba, remember, ganito yung ginawa ko, diba? We should check and we should get how much feet. So therefore, we should get ganito siya. This is how we check. I did this. 27 squared plus 18 times 27 is equivalent to 1,215. On the other hand, I did 45 times 27, we still get the same. And it's true. So therefore, our answer is confirmed that the measure of every side must be 1,215 feet. However, we're still not yet done, because just what I said, we still need to convert our answer into meters. To do that, remember just what I said, we need to convert it. How do we do that? Ganito kasi yung mangyayari, okay? Ayan. So, conversion, that 1 feet is 12 inches. If you have 1,215 feet, you have to multiply that by 12. Doing that so will give you 14,580 inches. Then 1 inch is converted to 2.54 cm. Alright? So we multiply it by 2.14. We should get the product of these two numbers, and we get 37,033.2. Then we convert that to meters. So we move the decimal place 2.2 places to the left. And therefore, the perimeter should be 370.332. So therefore, ang sagot dito ay, the polygon is a regular 45-sided polygon whose side measures 370.332 meters.